Hi everyone, and welcome back to the third episode of DeFi for Busy People. Today we're going to talk about Wonderland Money, that is probably one of the hottest and the craziest platform out there. It is a platform based on the blockchain of Avalanche. It is another product by Daniele Sesta and his team, that is probably one of the hottest team in the whole crypto space. And it is allowing you, as you can see from this number here, to earn up to almost 82,000% of APY. That is an insane number. It works through two different features. Feature number one, minting, where you have the possibility to deposit some kind of asset that you can find under the column mint and receive some time tokens. Time tokens are the tokens from the Wonderland Money platform at a discounted price. Remember that in the moment when you are minting, you can't claim all of your tokens before 5 days. You can just claim the 40% after 2 days, and after that it will be linear with an end at the last day, the 5th day. On the other side, you can stake your time tokens in order to earn this APY. And that's true, this is the APY that they will distribute to the people, to the staking people. The APY, the distribution, it's happening through a rebase that is happening every 8 hours. And here you can find the actual percentage, that is 0.614. It means that every 8 hours, the amount of time tokens that people have inside the staking feature will increase by a percentage of 0.615 around percent. The beauty of this mechanism is that it's creating a buying pressure because due to the high APY, more people want to just go to the market, buy the time token and staking it. In this way, the price of the time token will increase. On the other side, the higher is the price of the token, higher is also the incentive to come into the mint feature and buying the time token even at a discount, so even at a lower price, in order to have the opportunity after the 5 days just to sell it or stake it. As you can understand, in this way, this mechanism is a mechanism that is growing day by day. But there is one thing that you have to remember. The time token is guaranteed only to be backed by just one meme. It means that in the moment when the price goes below the one meme, the platform will start immediately to buy some new time tokens in order to sustain the price at the minimum of one meme. In any case, at the moment, each time token is backed by $1,317. In any case, it doesn't mean that at this threshold the platform will start to buy in order to sustain the price. All of this to say that the volatility of the time token could be really high. So really pay a close attention. Another thing that you have to remember is that, as Daniele Sesta declared into an interview, in his idea, the Wonderland Money will become a fundraising platform. It will, at a certain point, we will not have anymore the possibility to just mint new time tokens in order to take advantage of the price at a discounted price. But we will only have the possibility to stake for a certain period, and after that the whole Wonderland Money platform will become a fundraising platform where each project would have the ability to launch his own Wonderland Money platform in order to fundraise new funds through a mechanism that is exactly like what we have seen right now. So let's recap for a moment. What is great by Wonderland Money is that they are offering probably the highest yield into the industry. I know that in the crypto space there are also other platforms with even a higher yield. The problem is that in this case I trust this platform more because of Daniele Sesta and his team that has already demonstrated to be a good team, because it's also the same team behind Abracadabra Money and Popsicle Finance. Not to mention that this project is also backed by a strong community, and this is a really important thing. The project is leveraging the game theory, so it is creating a dynamic to incentivize people to buy and to sustain the price. And that's the reason why the project is continuing to grow. It is already into the top 100 cryptos in the ranking. What is also really powerful is that they have a really strong vision and they want to transform the platform into fundraising platform. So there is a vision on what will happen in the future, and that's really important because it means that the project is not only speculation. In any case, remember that using this kind of platform is probably one of the highest risks that you can encounter in the whole crypto space, because the volatility is really high, because it's like an experiment and we really don't know what will happen in the next future. So don't go in just because the APY is so high. Remember that you can even lose all of your money, even if it is backed by a great team and they have a great vision. So really pay attention to it. Guys, I hope this content helped, and I will see you tomorrow with another video. Remember to leave me a big thumbs up and to share this content in order to reach more people and help other people to understand how does it work, this platform. See you tomorrow.